Hello and welcome back to this channel and good evening to all of you. So I hope you all are doing well. So today I will inform you a job openings from Lithuania. It's a European country. Hope you all know that. So guys, let's know what is the job openings, how to apply, everything details we can discuss in this video. So let's start and please keep watching this video till the end and let's know what is the job openings and how to apply. So this is a multiple vacancies in Lithuania and the vacancies in Lithuania and a leading shipbuilding company in Lithuania position. So this is a company, leading company from shipbuilding and the position ship hull welder, pipe welder, ship hull fitter, scaffolder, pipe installation, assembly foreman, pipe fitter, steel structure fitter, electrician. So this is all about technical jobs and can suggest you if you have the relevant experience in your home country or in Gulf country, then don't be wait, apply as soon as possible. The salary will be in euro and it is 1050 euro. You can calculate as per your country currency what will be the 1 euro and the salary will be. So guys, for the overtime, you can see here 4 to 6 hours euros of overtime you can work, and 5 to 7 now euros working in other Europe countries. So you can get more salary with overtime, and as you can see here for accommodation, the company will be provided and 8 hours per day duty, 6 days per week duty, other benefits as per Lithuanian law. So interested candidate can send their CV to the given official email ID and you can follow up the applying process by the numbers. So as you can see here, there is another requirements, Marble recruitment and training solutions. And you can see here, this is the official address, which is in Tirunelveli, and also there are license number mentioned right here. So you can contact to the office directly by the visit, and also you can call by the number and you can apply by the official email address. So again, I would like to tell you this is a multiple vacancies from Lithuania and specific for shipbuilding professions. And as you can see here, the job positions are mentioned right here. And please let us focus once again for job positions. Number one, ship hull welder. Number two, pipe welder. Number three, ship full hull fitter. Number four, scaffolder. Number five, pipe installations. Number six, assembly foreman. Number seven, pipe fitter. Number eight, steel structures fitter. Number nine, electricians. So different type of job openings from Lithuanian country, and salary already mentioned right here. You can see overtime facilities also available there, and accommodations, and duty will be 8 hours per day and also 6 days per week working. So if you are really eligible for this job and if you have the relevant experience, then you can apply as soon as possible by the official email ID. That means you have to forward your CV with all documents like experience details and educational qualifications to the given official email ID. After you apply by official email ID, you can follow up by the contact numbers, and you can visit also this office and you can talk about the job requirements with the office directly. So guys, I hope you understand how to apply, what is the job openings, and what the benefits. Once you getting a European job, you will get a good life. So I can suggest you please try to apply as soon as possible and try to move European country with a good salary. So guys, again lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. In the next video, of course, I will inform you a job openings from other countries. Up to that, stay with this channel. God bless you. Best of luck.